Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tamara Agua. Today I'll be showing you how to achieve a slicked down low ponytail look on the 4C hair without heat. I'm going to be showing you exactly what items I used to achieve this look, this ponytail look. So let's get right to it. You'll be needing an Eco Styler gel. You would also be needing a spray bottle with water, and if you don't have a spray bottle, you can just maybe go to the shower and dampen your hair a little bit in the shower before coming out. And you would need a rat tail comb. You would also need a wide tooth comb, and you will need a Bristle brush. You would also need your got-to-be glue, and of course you will need your rubber bands and your extension. For either your extension or a drawstring ponytail would suffice. So let's get right to it.
I went ahead off camera to part my hair into 3 sections, and I also slicked down the hair at the back section. By the way, prior to this video, I shampooed and deep conditioned my hair, and I also applied leave-in conditioner to my hair. So you want to do this first before you slick down your hair. The first thing you need to do is to take out a small portion of your hair with the rat tail comb, and you spray it with water enough to dampen it, but not to get it soaking wet. And then you comb it through with your wide tooth comb. After that, you apply a generous amount of your Eco Styler gel to it. Once that's done, you brush it through with your paddle brush to get it flat, and then you go in with the hard part of the Bristle brush to get it completely slicked down. And finally, you tie it down with the rest of the hair at the back with a rubber band. So you pretty much want to repeat these steps till you walk your way through to the front and your hair is completely slicked down. After slicking down your hair, you can go ahead and put it in a low bun. So now you apply the got-to-be glue spray to keep your hair in place. Once that's done, you tie your hair down with a silk scarf. Normally I would keep the scarf on overnight, but because I was going out, I decided to leave it on for about 2 hours. When I took off the scarf, my hair was stiff dry. I guess it was because of the spray. So now I'll be installing my drawstring ponytail, which by the way I made myself, and I have a video on how to make it. So if you guys are interested in seeing that video, I will leave a link to the video in the description box below. So you place the drawstring ponytail over the low bun and you use bobby pins to pin it down to your hair, and then you pull the toggle to secure the ponytail, and then you tie it around the ponytail to hide the rope. The next thing you want to do is to get a Kanekalon braiding hair and braid it down, as you can see. Then you wrap it around the ponytail to hide all the pins and ropes. So finally, this is what the hair looks like.
So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Let me know what you also use to slick down your fussy hair, and also let's just get to know each other and interact in the comment section. Do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and please do not also forget to click on the notification bell to notify you each time I upload new videos. By the way, I upload new videos every Wednesdays and Fridays, so thank you so much, and I can't wait to see you guys again in my next video. Bye.